Go give that to Mama lang Papalo, the flowers. Each one of them have flowers.
Welcome to America.
My love.
Love you.
Long, very long ride. Very long flight.
Yeah, very long flight.
Oh, picture, Mama lang Papalo. Hold this.
Here, want me to take your picture?
Look.
Oh.
Yeah, they're here.
Why am I so white? Yan namin! Yay! Kitagbo mi! Yabot namin! Shout out ya! Kaibigan ni Anami, taga Mercado. Ni Anami, taga Bubuntukan Market.
Agan.
Isang layo kayong biyahe. Pero
Kay grabe.
long flight. Very long flight. Kapahila po. Hi.
Good now. Ano to? Welcome to Washington.
Welcome to the Washington. Shout out sa mga silingan diha tanan ni Anami. Taga Bubuntukan. Ayo hatong Mercado diha day, Mimi.
Shout out Ate Mimi, they're here. Ate Emma, Pahak, everyone, na sila. Thank you so much for prayers
Thank you so much.
for their
Lord.
safe flight. They're here now.
Oh, Amit, shout out Amit and Pak. Oh.
English
Ni
sa
Anami.
English. Ha, English.
Kindi, patoy naman. Mary.
Sulod na matugnaw na yung tiil. Sulod na rito.
Ado, decide sana ni Anami, Maribik. Oh, kakabutan dia. Sorry sa dili na
Mag-greet,
sorry sa dili na
Mag-greet.
litok. Tugnaw kayo, very cold.
English.
Ito sa apin, itog now.